Baby girl. No, ma'am. Stop it. Today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I almost failed installing this wig from Wannabe. I got this wig from my local hair shop because I was tired of doing my hair. Okay, so this is the Wannabe deep and wide lace front wig, 100% Remy Brazilian human hair. I'll be honest with you, there's nothing deep and wide about this lace. It's actually very limited, but hey, it's whatever. So here's how it looks out the pack. This actually was the display wig. They didn't have any more in that natural color, so I got it in a 1B. So this is how it looks out the pack, and here we go on to the wash. So before I wash my wigs, I make sure I just rinse it in water, saturate it, just to see how it looks wet. You know, make sure it's nice and saturated in the water. Next, I use my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner, but I start off with the shampoo. I use this on all my human hair wigs. It gives it a nice, good wash, a good texture for your wigs. So I would highly recommend using silicone mix to wash your wigs out. So I apply the shampoo on there, like so, like that. And then I just get to rinsing and get to washing. Now, I promise y'all, it looks like I'm being rough with this wig, but I promise I'm being as gentle as I can. But I like to make sure that it's good and rinsed in, good and worked in before I wash it. Then we rinse it out. What I didn't like about this wig was as soon as I started washing the shampoo out, like a black tint was coming from it. So whatever the hair dye was coming off, and I didn't like that. So anyways, keep rinsing out that shampoo, and then we're on to the conditioner. So I apply my silicone mix conditioner. I just love the way this conditioner smells, like the way it feels in my hand, the way it just feels when I put it on the hair. Like it just feels so soft, like it just runs so smoothly throughout the hair. And one thing about this hair, it was not tangled. It didn't get tangled during this process. It really ran smoothly. Also, this is the best detangling brush ever. Please get you one. I use it on my wigs. I use it on my hair. So I'm going to link it down below, but it is the best detangling brush. If you want to detangle your hair in 5 minutes, there you go. See how it's just effortlessly brushing in this wig with this conditioner? I love it. Alright, so we rinse the conditioner out, wring it out, and now we're good to go. Here's me trying to show you guys the curls, even though the lighting sucked, but it had some nice loose curls to it. So yeah, here you go. A plus about this wig, I didn't get a lot of shedding. Even through the washing, conditioning, and brushing, I didn't get much shedding at all. So this is pretty much all I saw the whole time. Alright, now to define the curls. So after I wash it, I set it on my mannequin wig and I spritz it down with a little bit more water. After that, I go in with my Just For Me hair milk and my Curl La La by On Jackie's. First, I start with the natural hair milk by Just For Me. This is what I normally use with all my wigs. So this is what I normally use. It gives it a nice cute curl. It gives a good defining curl. I like to slather it in and then brush it in. Again, I promise I'm not being hard on this brush, hard on this wig. Then next I go with the Curl La La. This is my first time using it. It smells good. That's me smelling it. I like to smell my products. But I think it really helped it define the curls even more. So I came right in back with that. So here's me working it in. I try not to be too product heavy because I can be. And here we are with the curls again. Laid lace. What's a lace? And then I lock in those curls with my mousse. So I spray the mousse all over the head and then work it in. I try not to brush. After I put the mousse in, I kind of just like let the mousse do its own thing and lock in those curls. Okay, so here's where things got weird. I attempted to pluck this lace because this was my first wig that I had that didn't have any type of pre-plucking. I am not a professional when it comes to this at all, and I failed miserably. I thought I was doing something, you know, I was parting the hair and everything, you know, had my wig stapled to my mannequin head and everything, but child, it just wasn't working. But I tried, so here's my attempt. So after I define my curls and everything, I like to let my wig sit at least one night to let it dry. Okay, so the next morning I noticed how black the knots were, but I am not a professional at all in bleaching the knots. I've never done that before. So normally I tint my lace with some black tea bags, but I didn't have time. So this case I used some foundation, just a little bit of foundation, just to kind of blend it in a little bit better. As you can see, there's not a lot to work with in this lace at all. So deep and wide wear. And here I am in my freshly twisted hair to the back. You know, ooh, okay, ooh, okay. Before I apply my wig, I wanted to make sure I add a little oil to my hair so it's good and moisturized. Shout out to the Dream Oil. And shout out to my camera for not focusing at all, but I got y'all. Link in the description below. It's good for hair growth. So I just put a few drops in, moisturize it in, and then we keep it pushing. And here we are with the wig cap. Boom. Oh. Alright, so let me slap this wig on for y'all real quick. Okay, look at those curls looking defined. Alright, I was feeling it a little bit. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Don't mind me. New wig. Stiff wear. Alright, now to define the front, because there was no definition, no parting, no nothing. So here I'm just giving it a defined part in the front. Alright, next step is onto baby hairs and cutting the lace. Now, y'all, I was so mad because where is the hairline? There is no hairline. Like, it didn't even look like I touched the lace at all, y'all. I was upset. But I was like, oh well. So I cut the lace, didn't show it, but I cut the lace, and now I'm going to apply it down with my Got To Be Freeze. I spray it all around the scalp. Then once I spray it, I like to blow dry it a little bit on cool. So once it gets to that tacky consistency, so I can help lay my hair down. Alright, bring it on forward. Lay it down. And then I use a rat tail comb just to secure the lay. Child, what am I doing? Child, where is the hairline, baby? So natural. Couldn't even tell. What lace? What wig? It's like I had to fix a few spots. The sides wouldn't lay down. Sometimes, for some reason, the sides are the hardest to lay down. One breeze and it's over with. And boom. Oh, wait, hold up. Fix that. Fix a little piece. There you go. Okay, so pause. This is where things got weird. Because I needed some baby hairs. I was like, okay, let me get some baby hairs. Let me cut a few pieces in the front. First of all, I cut too much. And second of all, child, I don't even know. I was ready to give up at this point. So I used my mousse to attempt to let my hair down. Child, what is going on? what are you doing? Baby girl. What are those? What swoop? What? That's too much hair. You're using too much hair. No. No, ma'am. Stop it. Today. No. So at this point, I done gave up. And I said, you know what? I'm about to just redefine the front of my hair and keep it pushing. Because, child, I don't know what. So I put a little bit more of my hair milk and my curl la. Then I topped it off with a little bit of my mousse. And that was it, child. That's all I had to do. That's all I had for this wig. Alright, apply some glasses and some lip gloss, and here's the final result. It actually came out really pretty. It was really curly. Don't look that bad. So, I think I did okay. So, thank you guys for sticking out here and watching. See you in my next one.